Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today, we're doing chicken breast. Let's fire up the traeger. So for this, I'm going to be using Grill Mates Barbecue Seasoning. This was a big hit last time I used it, so we're going to go ahead and try it again. So just your normal procedures. This is a thick piece of ass bacon. A big piece of bacon. It's chicken, not bacon. Chicken. Flip it around. And do it again. Last time I did the chicken, it was chicken thighs. And they came out so good and so juicy. Now I can only imagine what the chicken breasts are going to be, how they're going to come out. And just put it in there. Have some on the side. And I think we are ready to put them on the traeger. So the plan is I'm gonna turn the temperature, the traeger, to 350 degrees. And I'm gonna leave them there, and I think they should take about 30 minutes. As you can see right here, I have the app of the Traeger app that shows us everything, how to do stuff, how to cook stuff. So it's a really helpful tip. So let's see if 350 for 30 minutes, if that's gonna work. Let's try it. So we got the Traeger at 350 degrees. It goes up and down a little bit. Oh yeah, it's ready. We got the thermometer. They got to be at 165 finish time. For 15, flip them, and another 15. That should get you 10. We'll be back. So here we have my Expert Grill thermometer, and temp for the chicken should be 165. And it's all wireless one, so it's pretty cool. It has a little stand. So we're gonna wait 15 minute mark. We'll go flip the chicken and wait another 15, flip it. Hopefully it's close to that 165. It's been about 15 minutes. See how they roll. Another 15 minutes. The chickens are up to temp. Good. 165. So now the chicken's ready. It was there at 350 degrees, 30 minutes. At the 15-minute mark, we flipped them. Grill marks. Temperature 165. Let's give these bad boys a try. Juiciness. Let's grab a piece. Just a little piece. It's juicy. The flavor is good. It's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, look how it is. A little bit of juice in there. Look at that. Look at that. The seasoning, that barbecue seasoning that we used, was good. It makes cooking chicken on a Traeger grill, makes it easy. On a barbecue grill with the gas, the charcoal, it's tough because chicken, everybody knows that chicken, it burns. The heat has to be low, and you can't be on top of the heat. On a Traeger, leave it, set it, forget it. Set it and forget it. And it comes out like this every single time. One last one for the road. Wow. I wonder how chicken legs will taste. That's for another video. Thank you for tuning in. Like the video. Subscribe to the video. We're almost at 100. Let's get it there. Come on, guys. Almost at 100. We'll see you next time.